this AK guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel once again. Today's video is about best way to change engine oil. Best way to change engine oil. So follow me step by step. Alright, so this is the best way to change engine oil or to do servicing. Yes, to do servicing. The best way to change your engine oil. First of all, you have to pack your car down. If the car is moving or is unused, immediately you brought the car into a workshop, make sure that a car owner or as a mechanic, you let the car rest at least 15 to 20 minutes before you start do the process of changing your engine oil. Or because if the engine is hot and you immediately start changing the oil is not settled. At the first place, oil is not settled down. So you're supposed to wait the oil to settle down. And second is if your engine is not cooled down before you change your oil, immediately you drain out the old oil and put replace with the new oil, it can cause crack in the engine parts, head and valves all over. It can cause crack to the moving part of the engine, all because of the thermal stress of the metal. Yes, thermal stress of the metal. So this is step one. As you're about to change your engine oil, you first open the cover. Yes, where you pour your oil, you open it. Then the atmospheric pressure make the oil settle down into the sump or crankcase. Yes, so you open it down. After that, then you go under the car. As your car has jack, you go under the car, then open the drain plug. After opening the drain plug finish, then you drain your oil. After that, then you open the filter. Yes, you open the filter, then the oil inside the filter too will come out. So this type of car like this, you can see the filter is under the car where the sump is located. Yes, but when you take Chevrolet cars, the filter is at the top. Yes, some of the Chevrolet cars, the filter is at the top. So you first open this cover before. After that, then you open the filter to the Chevrolet cars. But as this type of car, the Toyota Nissan, the filters is under the car where the sump is located. So first open this one down and then you do the rest. So you need to make your car settle. So if your car is already packed before the day, for one day before you change the engine oil, you are okay, good to go to change your oil, and then you feel it instantly because at that time the engine has cooled down. Yes, engine has cooled down, and then all the oil have been rest down into the crankcase, so it's able to get all your oil down on the crankcase or drain all the oil from the engine. But if you didn't let the oil settle down or engine cool down, so the oil is at its place of the head and all over where the oil needs to go, oil is there. So you can't get all full of your oil drain out. Some will left inside. So you need to follow that step. So this is the best way of changing engine oil for your car or do servicing for your car. Thank you.